Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm super excited to walk you through some of the most powerful tools on an all-in-one AI platform called Vheer AI. With Vheer, you can create stunning images, edit them in powerful ways, and even generate prompts automatically, all without needing design skills. So, if you're into AI art, content creation, or just love exploring cool creative tools, this video is for you. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin with the text-to-image tool, one of the most used features on Vheer. To get started, head over to the homepage of Vheer.com and click on AI Text-to-Image. This tool lets you turn your ideas into images just by typing a description. Now let's paste our prompt: a futuristic city at night with glowing neon lights, flying cars, and holographic billboards, cinematic angle, ultra-realistic, moody lighting. You can select image model, either Quality, Pro, and Max, but Pro and Max available for premium version. I'll go with Quality for better results. Also, I'll choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube thumbnails or desktop wallpapers. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. And here it is. Look at the depth and the lighting. The cars and glowing buildings really make the scene pop. This image would be amazing for a sci-fi story, a blog, or just showing off on Instagram. You can download the picture from here. Next, let's move on to another powerful feature, the AI Image-to-Image tool. This tool lets us take an existing image, like the one we just generated using text-to-image, and evolve it into a new version with a different style, mood, or setting. For this demo, I'm going to use the futuristic city image we created earlier, the one with cars, neon lights, and holographic billboards. Now in the prompt box, I'll give the AI new instructions to creatively reimagine this scene. Reimagine this scene as a post-apocalyptic ruin with collapsed skyscrapers, vines growing over broken neon signs, thick fog, and a blue-gray color palette. Cinematic mood, highly detailed. Here we have creative strength option and control strength option. I am keeping it default. Click on Generate, and after a few seconds, here we go. Wow, the transformation is intense. The buildings look destroyed, the atmosphere feels cold and eerie, and the color grading gives off a haunting mood. The AI even kept the basic structure of the original city, but turned it into something completely different. This tool is perfect for exploring alternate realities, making visual progressions, or turning a daytime scene into night, all while using your existing creations as a base. You can repeat this process with different prompts to create entire scenes or storyboards. Super useful for storytellers, game designers, or anyone who wants to build visual narratives with variation. Now this tool is really unique. It's called Image to Prompt. Sometimes you see an amazing image and wonder, how do I describe this in words? With this tool, you can upload any image and Vheer will generate a detailed prompt for it, so you can recreate it or make something similar. Let's try it. I'll upload a cinematic image with a female character in a rainy alley with glowing street signs. I am selecting Detailed Prompt here and hit Generate. And just like that, it gives us a full descriptive prompt. A photograph depicts a young Asian woman with long dark hair, standing in a dimly lit, narrow alleyway, and more detailed info. That's pretty cool. You can use this prompt directly in the text-to-image or image-to-image tool to generate new versions or alternate angles. Now, let's explore a creative editing tool called the Kontext Editor. This isn't a typical image generator. It lets you add or modify text on top of your AI-generated images with powerful effects. Let me show you. I'll upload an image I created earlier, a dreamy landscape. Now let's try the prompt idea option. Let's use this. Change background to a Japanese garden. No changes in setting and hit Generate. It transformed the background into a serene Japanese-style garden with bonsai trees and sakura blossoms. What's amazing is that it blended naturally with the original dreamy style. The color tones stayed soft, the lighting remained consistent, and it didn't just paste new elements. It actually reimagined the scene as if it was painted that way from the beginning. This shows how powerful the Kontext Editor is. You can guide the AI with just a simple idea, like changing the theme, background, or even the setting, and it adapts intelligently without breaking the style or structure of the image. If you love storytelling, mood boards, or just creative experiments, this tool gives you the freedom to play, remix, and build visuals in ways that feel natural and expressive. Let's keep going. Last but not least, let's try the AI Style Transfer tool. This lets you upload a photo, like a selfie or scenery, and apply a completely different art style to it. Let's upload a normal portrait photo. Here you will get a lot of styles and also more details option. Now, from the styles, I'll choose Van Gogh, the famous painter's swirling brushstroke style. Click Generate. And there you go. My image now looks like a painted masterpiece. You can try styles like sketch, oil painting, cartoon, abstract, and more. This tool is awesome for social media profile pics, unique GIFs, or just experimenting with different aesthetics. So there you have it, 5 core tools from Vheer AI that are perfect for beginners and pros alike. Text to image, image to image, image to prompt, Kontext Editor, style transfer. Each of them gives you a new way to create, transform, or remix your ideas into something visually stunning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite tool below, subscribe for more AI tool walkthroughs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where we'll explore Vheer's portrait and video tools. Take care and stay creative.